one of the challenges of environment really is its interconnectedness, its complexity. I mean, the fact of the matter is that, you know, you learn constantly that if you fix one thing and you don't think through it carefully enough, you could actually create a problem in a parallel field. Biodiesel is a classic example of our modern world, where we thought we had found an answer to climate change, we thought we could grow the fuel, and then we could use it to run our cars. But at the end of the day, we are learning that as biodiesel is increased, food prices have gone up. We're also learning that we are having to cut down rainforests to grow palm oil. And so it's not just a trade-off, it's a bad trade-off that we are making. Now, I believe the only answer to this, because, you know, at the end of the day, life is always complex, and you can never separate out the complexity. I think the only way to be able to deal with it is to invest in science for ecological security. You need knowledge. You need independent, credible knowledge, so that you are constantly learning the changes you're making, and somehow society can learn fast enough so that it can make changes even as it begins to create a problem. And I think it's the speed of change which is necessary. And that speed of change is only possible if, one, you have the knowledge, which means that you need credible knowledge, not paid for, sponsored knowledge, but credible knowledge. And two, you need democracy, so that as that knowledge is known to society, it has enough power and enough voices to be able to demand the change. And I think that's really the combination that we need.